This is Max Headroom. And what you're about to witness is one of the most sinister-sounding intros to a trailer to one of the greatest epics ever produced in the history of television. And there's more, because you are going to see it as well.
And welcome back to Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, you're subscribed, ring the bell for notifications so the next time I premiere a video you can be in the live chat with everyone else, and leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think. And this is the Rise of the Moors court update, plus some extra fun added in from the Massachusetts State Police.
So,
sit back,
relax.
and enjoy.
State police towed at least 3 vehicles belonging to supporters of men who have been held on weapons charges since a roadside standoff on July 3rd from the parking lot outside of the Malden District Courthouse on Wednesday, September 8th, following a court hearing. Police detained one woman whose name they did not release. Her companions declined to comment or to identify her. The hearing was mostly conducted remotely. The defendants, who identify as members of the Rise of the Moors organization, have been held without bail since their July arrest. During a scheduled hearing in August, Assistant Director Attorney Graham Van Epps was granted a month delay pending action by a grand jury. On September 1st, a grand jury in Middlesex County Superior Court in Woburn handed up indictments against all 8 defendants. They are being detained on 10 counts, all dealing with weapons offenses. They will continue to be held pending their arraignment in Superior Court. If you are not arraigned by October 7th, then we will revisit a motion to dismiss, Judge James Lamoth told Stephen Perez, an attorney representing one of the defendants, on a standby basis. There's no point in arguing a motion if the court does not have jurisdiction here. While most of the men have fired their legal counsels and were representing themselves in future proceedings, Omar Antonio was in court with his attorney Christian Williams of the Harvard Law School Criminal Justice Institute. Williams objected to the delay in holding probable cause and bail hearings for his client and moved for dismissal. The brief proceeding was capped when the vehicles of supporters who attended the session, some driving in from as far away as Ohio and Maryland, were targeted for towing. Troopers blocked one car from leaving the parking lot of an adjacent vacant warehouse, pulling the 2 women in the vehicle out of the car, searching their belongings, and towing the late-model Toyota to the barracks for inventory. The car had a license plate identifying it as belonging to the Moorish Papyrus Spiritual Circle. 2 cars parked in the courthouse lot, a late-model Cadillac with a plate identifying it as being from the Moroccan Empire, and a Jeep Grand Cherokee were blocked from leaving. Their contents searched. The occupants were given some of their belongings before the cars were towed. The operator of one of the vehicles, Ianga Bay, 33, with an address in Arkansas, was held on weapons charges after police claimed they found a gun in her vehicle. She was charged with possession of a firearm, improper storage of a firearm, possession of a large-capacity weapon or feeding device, and possession of ammunition without a firearms identification card. Police also charged her with operating an uninsured and unregistered vehicle, being an unlicensed driver, and attaching a license plate. State police said all 3 vehicles had fictitious license plates, calling them homemade. The woman driving the Jeep was charged with being an unlicensed driver and for operating an unregistered and uninsured motor vehicle. Police declined to identify her, saying only that she was a Maryland resident. The driver of another car was issued a summons for driving an unregistered vehicle.
She's being detained. Hold on, she's not arrested.
Get the phone. Get the phone.
That's not a crime. That's not a crime. If you're not driving.
The defendants were indicted under their legal names: Jamal Tavon Sanders Latimer, Quinn Cumberlander, both of Pawtucket, who also faced charges in Rhode Island, Aaron Johnson, Aban El Kara, Lamar Dow, Conald Pierre, Perez, and Antonio. During the hearing, Van Epps and Lamoth muted the microphones of and talked over the defendants, with the judge admonishing them that they would get a chance to revise their names and make their arguments in Superior Court. They faced charges of possession of a large-capacity firearm, possession of a large-capacity feeding device, carrying a firearm without license, possession of a loaded shotgun, improper storage of a large-capacity firearm near a minor, improper storage of a rifle shotgun near a minor, use of body armor in a felony, conspiracy, carrying a loaded firearm without a license, and possession of ammunition without a firearms identification card. There is no arraignment scheduled, nor has their case been assigned to a judge. And that's your update for the rise of the Moors in court as of September 8th, 2021. Thank you for joining us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. You're subscribed. Ring the bell for notifications so the next time I premiere a video, you can be in a live chat with everyone else. And leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Till next time, Wanishi. Thank you. I'll see you later.